You've probably felt it before, the creeping thought that everyone else is moving faster, achieving more and leaving you behind. Social media makes it worse, showing highlight reels while hiding the struggles. Every notification, every milestone on someone else's timeline becomes a reminder that you're behind. You scroll, compare, and measure yourself against a distorted view of reality. But here's the truth. Feeling behind is an illusion. Life doesn't run on the same clock for everyone. The path you're on isn't wrong, it's just uniquely yours. Think about it. How many times have you achieved something meaningful only to dismiss it because someone else did it faster? How often have you felt like you're failing when really you're just moving at your own pace? This chapter isn't about denying ambition, it's about noticing the noise. Pause, step back, and reflect on your own journey. Stop measuring your life by someone else's highlights. What feels like falling behind may actually be the exact pace you need to grow, learn, and build something lasting. The first step is awareness, recognizing the illusion, letting go of comparison, and embracing your personal timeline. Once you do, the weight of keeping up begins to lift, and your own path becomes clear. From the moment we grow up, we're given a roadmap. Graduate by this age, land your first job by that age, buy a house, settle down, and so on. These milestones are presented as if life has a single universal timeline. But life rarely follows these neat schedules. People change direction, discover new passions, or face unexpected obstacles. And yet, the pressure to stick to the expected path can make you feel like you're failing, simply because your journey doesn't match the template. Think about it. How many times have you rushed or stressed just to meet someone else's deadlines? How often have you felt guilt or anxiety for taking a different path, even if it felt right for you? This chapter is about recognizing that rigid timelines are traps. They create unnecessary stress and make you doubt yourself. Your life isn't a race or a checklist. Real growth isn't about following someone else's schedule. It's about understanding your priorities, pacing yourself, and honoring your own progress. Start asking yourself, what milestones actually matter to me? Which ones are imposed by others or society? The more you question these timelines, the more freedom you gain, and the more clearly you can define your own path forward. At some point, life can feel like it's moving too fast. There's so much information, so many distractions, so many voices telling you what to do, who to be, and where to go. It's easy to get lost in the noise. Every day, notifications ping, emails pile up, and the world demands your attention from every direction. You start chasing goals that don't even belong to you, and before you know it, you're overwhelmed, exhausted, and disconnected from your own priorities. Being constantly busy can trick you into thinking you're productive, but it often just creates mental clutter. You feel like you're moving forward, but in reality, you're spinning in circles. This chapter is about recognizing the chaos around you. Notice how your attention is pulled in 100 directions. Ask yourself which noise matters and which only distracts. The less essential clutter you allow, the clearer your mind becomes, and the more room you create for meaningful action. You don't have to respond to every demand or comparison. Choosing what to focus on and what to ignore is a superpower. The first step to clarity is stepping back, breathing, and finding the quiet within the storm. After the chaos and pressure, it's time to pause and rethink what progress really means. Growth isn't always visible on a timeline, and success isn't only measured by speed or quantity. Sometimes the smallest steps carry the most meaning. Redefining progress starts with noticing the little wins, finishing a task you've been avoiding, learning something new, or simply showing up for yourself when it matters. These are the moments that shape who you are, even if they don't look impressive from the outside. It's also about quality over quantity, investing your energy into what aligns with your values rather than chasing every opportunity or comparison brings more satisfaction and fulfillment. Reflect on your journey. Which efforts have truly moved you forward? Which actions give you joy, purpose, or growth? Let go of the illusion that fast or flashy achievements define your worth. Real progress is quiet, patient, and deeply personal. By redefining progress, you reclaim control over your path. You start to measure success in ways that matter to you, not according to someone else's schedule, but by the value, learning, and meaning in your own experiences. This is where it all comes together. Your life is your own, and the game you're playing doesn't have to follow anyone else's rules. The expectations, comparisons, and pressures of the world are not your roadmap. Only you can define the path that matters. Look around. Every step you've taken, every choice you've made has brought you here. You don't need validation from others, nor do you need to match someone else's timeline. What matters is clarity, intention, and alignment with your own values. Your path may twist, turn, or even pause, but that's not failure. It's part of the journey. Success isn't a finish line. It's how you navigate, how you grow, and how you stay true to yourself. So take control of your life. Choose what matters, ignore what distracts, and focus on what truly moves you forward. The wrong game is the one that doesn't honor your priorities. The right game is the one where your progress, however measured, is meaningful to you. When you play your own game, there's no falling behind. There's only moving forward on your terms, one deliberate step at a time.